Oh, what is the name of this?
Abraham Lake.
Abraham Lake. Abraham Lake.
Oh, it's nice at this angle.
Oh.
Richard.
I know, look at this.
It's nice at that angle over there.
Yeah, I know. And it's actually a campground in here. This Abraham Lake. And Ronan is right over there. It's a pretty big lake. Glaciers right there. And people are camping here. And there's mountain right here. Little campground area. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah.
He wants us to go
This.
there. Let's go closer to the water.
Okay.
Now that we have proper shoes on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad we changed.
Mm-hmm.
We wear sandals with this.
Abraham Lake. This is like Lake Louise, but no people.
Yeah. So
Pretty much.
Ron, isn't it beautiful this? How did your shoes feel? How did they feel? Good. Isn't that crazy how the
Right there.
I also broke it? Here, it's nice. Oh, it's nice here, Richard.
I know.
It's so blue. I mean, minus the clouds, but it's okay.
Run in.
Wow. Oh, she got this stand. It's okay. It's more beautiful like me.
Here the water is.
My phone's all messed up. How long does it take to get to Bow Lake? Hour and a half, right?
1 hour.
Well, that's it.
Yeah.
But look at this rock that I'm breaking. Oh, will you take you? Okay. Oh no. What you doing? Oh my goodness. I think rock is like breaking so easily. Oops.
Smile, Jen. Run and smile.
So beautiful. I think we should take it from this angle too. The sun might come out a little bit. Look at it gets more blue and blue as the sun comes.
That's the trail that we just went into. And this is Abraham Lake. Much bigger than Lake Louise. Right here. And you'd actually camp right here too. There's a camping ground there too, see? We got a fire pit. And it's a short trail up here. And you have a washroom. You have another trail in there for another camping ground. It looks like a vehicle could probably go through there. There's a trail up here. See? You camp here. And it goes up the trail here. People could camp in here. as well. Jen, wrong side.
I know.
Right here. See, Jen took the wrong turn.
Or we lost.
Should have gone. No, I just saw that the washroom is here. Right here. See? Washroom is right here. Yeah, so close. That trail. Washroom. Just want to keep this one going because this is the trail to come out to the car. The bathroom is just here. There's a vehicle. There's no sign. That's it. Just the highway. Just the highway. No sign.